Welcome back to the channel, and today we are fitting the first modification to my 1290 Super Adventure S. It sounds really odd and up my own arse for moaning about this, but finding accessories and bolt-ons and stuff for a bike that's essentially a brand new model is impossible. So that first modification we're doing is this, a Speedo Angels tempered glass screen protector for the TFT screen. Stick around, stay tuned if you're interested. So this is the TFT screen for the Super Adventure. As you can all see, it's a lovely display, but the problem with it, I think it's a 7-inch display. Because it's such a large screen, the chances of getting scratched, chipped, smashed in any way, shape or form is quite high. So that's where these Speedo Angels come in. I've paid for this. I know a lot of people get sent these for free, so I have paid for this, so I will tell you my honest opinion. But yeah, let's get fitting it, shall we? Oh, the smoothest unboxing known to man. God damn it. Ta-da. So in the box we have got a set of fitting instructions. We have got the screen protector itself and then some fitting tools. Let's have a look what's in these, shall we? So in the first one we've got some wet wipes to remove dust and basically clean it. You've got a like chamois cloth thing. You've got some of these are dust absorbers and something to help you position the screen. And then you've got a small card, which is essentially just to, so you wrap it around that and you sort of smooth out all the bubbles. And then I'd assume, judging by that, this second pack is exactly the same. As you can probably see in there, the second pack is exactly the same. So we'll put that back in. It's very small and light. I mean, it wasn't too bad. I'll put the price up on the screen in the top corner. Now, what it does say on the website is you should have a small gap around the outside of the protector. It basically helps to stop it lifting off. So what I'm doing is I'm just lining it up there, and I know roughly where it's going to be. And then what you do is you've got a little tag here, which has just got a 1 on it, and you just peel that, and it releases the clean side. Now before I do that, I need to wipe this down, get it dust free, and then microfiber it as well. Not a very wet wipe. Now I have to say, KTM have done a very good job of protecting this screen. I don't know what they put on it, but when I washed it the other day, you wouldn't be able to tell by the amount of bugs. That was last night's fun. But when I washed it the other day, the water on the screen just beads off. And I mean, to be fair, it does it around the rest of the bike as well, so I'm actually quite impressed about that. Now that looked relatively clean, but I don't know if you can see the dirt that's on there. Microfiber cloth. Now I'm just going to shake this out, because if that had a stone or something in it, you'd never forgive yourself for not checking it. Pretty happy with that. One thing you do get as well, one of these. You can't see what that says. It says dust absorber. So the idea with this is now the screen's clean, I'm just going to go around and do this. Do this all over the screen, but all this is going to do is just pick up any dust that's on the screen that you can't see with your vision devices. I'll probably skip this bit because it's quite boring, but also because everyone will be like, oh my god, you missed a bit, meh. Hi. Just looking here, I can't see any dust on there at all. You get one of these pulling tags that come with it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pop this on the screen. Now it's worth cleaning the back of this before you do this. I'm going to line it up where I'm happy with, which I'd say is about there. Put this like that on there. I'm going to put that around there. My point in doing that is that now the chances of me messing up the installation are a lot smaller, because I've got a reference point now. Like a hinge point, should I say, unless it comes off. Now, big thing here, do not put your fingerprint on the back of that, because you will have a fingerprint in your screen and you will be so annoyed There you go. No, you literally can just leave it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sort of sealing itself to the screen. Take our small bit of plastic here, wrap the microfiber cloth around it because you don't want to scratch your brand new screen protector. We're just going to drag this across to get rid of those bubbles. Ow, bang my elbow. From what I can tell, I've done that without getting any dust in it at all. Which, if that is the case, that's delightful. Just going to take my microfiber cloth without the plastic in it, just to give it a bit of a polish. There we go. Very, very shiny. So there we go. Really, really simple video. Really straightforward to do. Went on a lot easier than I thought it was going to be fair. I've done a load of my phones in the past and they've just been hell. So I'm glad that went quite easy. It went on square and it looks clear and I haven't got any dust under it. I'll leave a link in the description below to Speedo Angels. You can get one for your bike. Again, not sponsored, I bought it myself. But I'm hoping that should give a little bit more protection to the screen. Thanks for joining me and I'll see you in the next one.